Okay guys, we're going to do a small segment on the working temperature of the Opal Peelable wax. Just wanted to show you a bird's eye view of the opal, so you can see the centre of the opal is still quite solid, and then this nice juicy stuff around the outside is what we're going to be working with. Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating the working wax temperature. We've got one of our new Outback Organics heaters for me to demonstrate with today. So these sit beautifully at about 2.5 to 3. So just remember that the setting that's on here is the output of the machine. It's not your working wax temperature. What we want to find out is what's going to go directly onto our clients. So I've got one of our thermometers that I'm going to use. So we're just going to pop that on, and then also just keep a wax strip with some equipment cleaner on there, just so that you can clean off the stem of the thermometer once it's finished with. And when we use the thermometer, we're just going to use the end 1 inch that's going to go into the working wax that we want to use. And we've got to be careful with the rest of the stem that it doesn't touch any of the metallic sides of the heater, so that it is just reading the working wax temperature. So I'm just going to pop that in now, and we want to hold it there for approximately 20 seconds, because that will be enough to indicate what our working wax temperature. So just be careful that you're not leaning on any of the metallic sides of the heater. We're about 10 seconds, and once we take that out, we can just clean that straight off with the equipment cleaner, and that will indicate to us what our working wax temperature is. So we're going to be coming up to 20 seconds shortly. The manual will state that it's between 52 and 56. Also a very comfortable temperature to put it onto your client's skin is up to 62. You just have to monitor the skin's erythema. So I've just hit 52 there, so that's clear to me that that's a perfectly comfortable working wax temperature for the clients. So I'm just going to clean that off just with some equipment cleaner while the wax is still warm.